Moving on to 10.2.4, Industrial importance of the electrolytic processes. The various types of electrolytic cells are employed on an industrial scale. Some of the important ones are given here. Extraction of sodium by the electrolysis of fused sodium chloride is carried out in the down cell, and in this case molten sodium chloride is electrolyzed between iron cathode and graphite anode. The cell is planted to get sodium metal commercially. Chlorine is obtained as a byproduct. NaCl gives us Na plus and Cl minus. At anode, 2Cl gives us 2Cl plus 2 electrons, which is oxidation. Cl plus Cl gives us Cl2. At cathode, 2Na plus 2 electrons gives us 2Na, which is reduction. And by adding two reactions at anode and cathode, the overall reaction is 2Na plus 2Cl minus gives us 2Na plus Cl. And the caustic soda is obtained on the industrial scale by the electrolysis of concentrated aqueous solution of sodium chloride using titanium anode and mercury or steel cathode, and the electrolysis is carried out in the Nelson cell and Kester-Keller cell or Hg cell. NaCl gives us Na plus Cl minus. At anode gives us 2Cl, Cl2 plus 2 electrons oxidation, and at cathode 2H2O gives plus 2 electrons gives us H plus 2OH minus. By combining the electrode reactions and including Na plus ions, the overall reaction is 2Na plus 2Cl minus plus 2H2O gives us Cl2 plus H2 plus 2Na2 plus 2OH minus. And here chlorine and hydrogen are obtained as the byproducts, and Na plus is not discharged at the cathode. 3. Magnesium and calcium metals are extracted by the electrolysis of the fused chlorides. Magnesium and calcium are collected at cathodes while Ca2 at anodes. Aluminium is extracted by electrolyzing fused bauxite Al2O3 2H2O in presence of fused cryolite Na3Al(F6), and the process is called Hall-Béryl process. Anodized aluminium is prepared by making it an anode in the electrolytic cell containing sulfuric acid or chromic acid, which coats a thin layer of oxide on it, and the aluminum oxide layer resists attack for corrosive agents. A freshly anodized aluminum is hydrated and can absorb dyes. Number 6. Electrolytic cell can also be used for the purification of copper. Impure copper is made the anode, and a thin sheet of pure copper is made the cathode, and a copper sulfate solution used as electrolyte. The atoms of copper from impure copper anode are converted to Cu2 plus ions and migrate to cathode, which is made up of pure copper. And in this way, copper anode is purified and impurities are left at the anode. Copper, silver, nickel, and chromium plating is done by various types of electrolytic cells. One metal is deposited at the surface of another metal. 10.2.5 Voltaic or the galvanic cell. A voltaic or